How to replace CentralSound upgraded ear pads on Beyerdynamic headphones. These are the round 100mm protein leather type. Here we have a DT990 PRO Beyerdynamic headphones, and as you can see, these ear pads, the OEM ones, are fabric, and they do get dirty and dusty, absorb a lot of moisture and sweat and dirt, so it's good to change these out. And they're real easy to remove. You just pinch and pull and they come right out. And here we have our CentralSound upgraded replacement ear pads. So these are a protein leather type of material. It's easier to clean, and they are a bit bigger, and it does have a surface memory foam layer for comfort. As you can see, they're slightly larger than the original ones, and they do fit on the headphones a little bit different. You do not tuck them in the crevice, they wrap around. So the first thing you'd have to do is stretch out this rim right here. And it should look like that when you're done stretching it. And then with one hand you hold it in place, and the other hand you pull around the flange piece. Once it's completely on around, you can test it to make sure it's secure. Once these are on there, they are pretty secure. They do not come off easily. So as you can see, this is the fitment in comparison as to the original ones. You can see the difference in thickness, and there is a better sound quality as well, customers have said. So um, these are our own replacement ear pads you can purchase at CentralSound.co.